In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can deactivate your Instagram account in 2023, whether you are sick of Instagram or for mental health. Okay, so once you are inside your Instagram account, you need to click on your profile and click on the three lines in the top right. Then you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you need to click on account center in the top. And here you will need to click on personal details under account settings. From here, you need to click on account ownership and control. And then you need to click on deactivation or deletion. Now you need to select your account that you want to deactivate or delete. And from here, you can choose to deactivate your account or delete your account. If you deactivate your account, it means that your account will be hidden on Instagram, but you can reactivate it at any time. And if you want to delete your account, you will lose all your data and you won't be able to access your Instagram account anymore. You will still have 30 days to log in back if you decide to delete your account to recover your account. But after those 30 days, your account will be deleted forever. Now, in this case, I assume that you want to deactivate your account, so I will select continue, and then you need to insert your password. So please consider to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.